Now we will be computing the selling price with markup based on cost. No, so again, reviewin natin ng konti. When we say markup based on cost, okay, this is the ratio of the markup and the cost. No, so again, this is the ratio of the markup and the cost. Now, kung halimbawa, if we multiply it with the cost, makakancel yung cost, babalik tayo sa kung anumang amount yung ating markup. Okay? So, given ang ating cost, given ang markup rate, again, multiplying the two, we will have the markup. And syempre, kung alam na natin ang markup at saka ang cost, madali na nating makukuha ang selling price. Okay? So, for the steps, para mas malinaw, the first thing that you're going to do is to multiply the given markup rate with the cost to get the markup. No, so cost times the markup rate times, that na lang ang gagamitin ko, times the markup rate based on cost. Okay? Then, pagka-multiply mo niyan, i-add mo siya sa atin pong given cost, and that one will be your selling price. Okay, so ganun lang siya kadaling tandaan. So, general rule, selling price equals cost plus markup. So, syempre, kung ang markup natin hindi given, pero given ang cost at rate, to get the markup, you have to multiply the cost and the rate of markup based on cost. Okay, so let us apply the formula with the following problems. So, for number 1, the account of utik-utik merchandise says that in order to pay all expenses and have a reasonable profit, and based upon a cost of 62.50 on its particular product, the company's markup should be 80% of the cost. Determine the selling price of the product. So again, ang atin pong formula, sabi nga, selling price is equal to cost plus the markup. Since wala namang nakalagay dyan na kung magkano ang markup, ang given natin dyan is cost and the rate. No, so kunin natin si cost, i-multiply sa rate, and that will be our markup. Okay? Ayan. So, let us apply or substitute to our given formula. So, sabi, our cost is 62.50. O, lagay natin, 62.50. Then, cost times the rate of markup, o, the 62.50, times the rate of markup, since ang sabi dito ay 80% of the cost. So, if we change that to decimal, it's 0.8. Okay, so we can use the calculator to solve this one. Okay, so 62.5 times 0.8. If you have a scientific calculator, you can already type this dire-diretso, no? But since kung halimbawa meron po sa inyo na naka-manual calculator, just multiply first. 62.5 times 0.8, this one will be equal to 50. Then, add your 50 to 62.50. Our answer will be 112.5 or 112.50 pesos. This will be our selling price. Okay. So, next. So, let us have another example. So, for example, number 2, a DVD movie is bought by a video shop for 312.50 pesos. Okay? So, if the DVD is to be listed with a 40% markup, ayan, based on cost naman siya. So, how much would it be listed? Okay. So, again, formula natin or yung kwento ng ating magiging formula for the selling price. We have the cost plus our markup. But since we do not know the markup, what we only know is the cost and the rate of markup based on cost. We multiply the cost by the rate of markup. Okay? So, multiplying 312.50 times 0.4, we have 125. No, 125. Okay? Then, sorry. Dapat pala nag-substitute muna tayo. So, the cost is 312.5 plus 312.5 times 0.4. Yan. Okay, so multiplying the 2, we have 125. Then, add siya sa 312.5. Therefore, our answer will be 437.5 pesos. So, this is our selling price. No. Lagyan natin pala ng 50 kasi pera to eh. Okay. Ayan. Now, as you can see, kung halimbawa ay if you're going to apply algebraic methods on our formula, no? So, let's say selling price is equal to cost plus cost times the rate, no? So, C plus CR, C, no? Factoring out yung C dun sa dalawa, we have cost times 1 plus RC, no? So, ibig sabihin, kung halimbawa may given tayo dyan na, halimbawa, kagaya dito sa problem, no? We have 40%. Kung 1 plus 0.4, no? Ibig sabihin, we can shorten the process of finding the selling price by multiplying our cost with 140%. No? So, kung halimbawa, ang cost natin ay 312. This is just another method, ha? Okay? So, 312.5 times, okay? So, 1 plus 0.4 kasi tayo, no? So, 1.4. Pwedeng itry natin yan. Try nyo din po, no? So, 312.5 times 1.4 is still equal to 437.5. No po, so since ang cost kasi ang 100%, pag nagdagdag ka ng 40% ng ating cost, so ibig sabihin, 140% na. 'Di ba? Halimbawa, 100% ang cost, then ang markup rate mo is 75%, pwedeng i-multiply mo yung cost by 175% para makuha mo naman ang selling price. So, ito naman po ay just another way, no? So, again, pwede mo pong gawin ito or pwede rin ito. Okay? So, maalin naman po sa dalawa.